Udi matem na manka menfiu manka hwe nyame ginem edi empress gifting eda nyakopon mesi ni emergency line eda so aso already say kim kan ya ne yachew Erade empress said ye wugu me matamfo animu ase no erade ye na me hu dia men kan kire omutumi bochenku miame na afofo bochenku no omo kasa o empress ontumi go UK me bebie ni wa nyame by the grace of God you need to me call person no go to me by UK oh empress no forgetting Empress oye wan on to me by UK forget no cry sika na oje wo no cry menchia nti unim dia me ye e dey na me betu kwan no e na guy ne be send me message say oh eyi want me managers in county on to me ni me nye show no nti no wakofo obi fufu wa na me say me dase because I was expecting that na ma che visa no so ma ye madu say me mbo obi amane because me trust you be kra me say me catch and say my jefisa. I'm telling you. Any pano be catch them no na me ko UK sada no nipa ne catch them so to me ni mbo show no o ma catch them no dada say eno na da UK for promoters ni na do mo ano edo bia no so me UK na me buy me base me be prove mu se me ma me nyankopon no otiase. Some people got confused. They were talking like no church or said I wanted them to know that we serve a living God who is a just God. Or a just God. Or dear some pepper or ya nyankopon. That was the God that I was serving. Unim me go through UK pen and me say nipa na be he me star. Or me status na me say oh Erade empress said ye wugu me matamfo animu ase no. Erade ye na me hu dia men kan kire. Omutumi bochenku miame na afofo bochenku no omo kasa oh empress ontumi go UK. Me bebie ni wa nyame by the grace of God you need to me call. Because of me mre wo yenti me koka kire madanfo se me kama no tu mu te se ne me kama no tu mu ya ka me twemu koye mame sometimes won nyame so ya ade bi ma wo pese wo keep enye bibia na ye discuss enye bibia na ni obi se oye madanfo deputy enye bibia na ye me ko me ka che me se me nuru kro ni mu a me ni obi amon komo da se me tu kwanta. Inyama bi wa nyame ye maya a personal to us. You need to hide it. Enemy ko you can visitors na me ko me the work permits. Wona me ko no. Dia meye bia no. Aban. Ninsawo. It was a work permit. Na me de ko Siliki promotions. Work permits. Me cousin show me this or say sister. Na so we issue on your issue. Mami nye mam. Na me cousin ye siliki promotion. No yardem. Me say me de me ko apply na dana me ye me fingerprint we pay. No mo de me passport man because me ye e-visa. No mo de me passport man say me ko fee. 3 days no mo mami message so ma confirm me we na be drew omo. So o soliti say di na me mia not no so na account edi empress gifting e da nyakopon me se ni emergency line e da so aso already say kim o kan ya ne yachew udi matem na manka menfiu manka hwe nyame ginem na oye adwuma a year of resetting me na me ka kire a year of the resetting. Me see me so me bam na me yade na wompa me churo bibi because me de no me be di wachi me kwa ko she dem me empress me minim de just empire bo minim say they activating niama check the atu me nyina na hwe bebi anya me di me eduru se nipa no kum nipa anka me empress kum wu dadawu. But do you know something? My heart is too clean. My heart is clean. My conscience is clean. Inti nyame se ho no de dele mame no. Nyame dele with nyame ba wo sane no ba wo do report akọ no. O report na odi akọ when press gift ho no. Wo nyame sane no ba wo kita different reports. O say my daughter carries different oil. The heart is too pure. Inti mi obi sori tia me nya adwuma. Me say omo no mu tumi nka eniama kutia wo mo. Me say me mame wan kire me hwekra mame wa kire me Kristo. Me mame a kire me say de Yesu nso nyuma. Me mame wa kire me. And anybody that has walked with me will testify. They will tell you. O come in man count. Ah me mame what awo ho no. Me de be ye adwuma. Ye de visa de mame no. Me to am say empress. Any visa. Any entale me passport. Any when ti any personality a empress no. Any o. And any can be a person me ko bia to me akọ. Any. Nsa nyame come on watu. Mutu me tenase. Nkobo show. Uma tenase. Amo kasa about empress. Me glory ne kita me ye different. Me ye frame shemema. Me de me sesu ade mu ye adwuma. Me ade a ye ntokra me somu a me somu se ya ye adwuma. Ade a ye ntompo me somu ye grace anya me dia to me ntimi ye nso de ntia me. Omo say me my UK promoter. Make a UK promoter so omo heavy. 2 point something hear me why. UK promoters, they know what I am saying. They know what I'm saying is the truth. Nothing but the truth. They all ganged against me. I have not wronged any of them. I have not stepped on anybody's toes. All in the name of the Amemepe. Nami Empress, who hear me for show or outside. Upa atira ni ya de bema ho. Untumi a obeko. I know my worth. Minim dia nyame dia tom me. Obi abeba ba Empress me ba, me nwosra na nyame dia cha me. Because me tsinyame me kasa asa me tsiase where to speak and where not to speak, where to go. Me tsinyame to me gidi me chinyame this time baby 12 years God has visited me. Ebia no be per visa. Me se me Empress 12 years anko for sre me or for say me Kofoka say on to me no. I know a lot of people were shocked. So me do you can do me phone. I don't want any hypocrisy. I don't want anybody to call me. Embe pretending ne membe kasa. Two from WhatsApp na kwa me pa na me fa me pa me mfa. Because I have learnt my lesson. Say nyi bibia na ebie ya no kanye. Enye komo bia na yedi. Enye bia na woni. Hwe obi o ne hye wani gie nsam a wo victory kra na wade ne to me say. And you may free me for the past 7 years. I say kaminya right people be what me ho and kanyama kamenya wabrabom. And can endorsement deals and kamenya kenye bini. Obi to me from endorsement deal. Me to me the amo bi so no nkasa. Ba untibio. Me I've been through a lot. I've seen everything. I've been to me who be baby style baby. Me won se nipa bi train nipa me won no style baby. That's so send a request. Me won ni nyina style baby. That's so request anyway. Me won no be style baby. Me won be style baby. So me se bibi bana ebe enhami biu. I see say nyame person preserve me. Me better cross odi matem na be ha me a ma block you. Ai ma block ma pen baby atena. Eni ehu a enye time. Me be show. Me hu ni say 12 years God has preserved Empress. Nyame de me sie for bibi. And now I understand this song. Amanama no batampanya mija yema wamo yena